Good evening. Sir. Good evening. Good evening. Sir.
Good evening. Good evening, all. So let us wait for 2 minutes, then we'll start our session. Okay, this cot theta is equal to minus x. We can write minus cot theta is equal to x. This minus cot theta, we can write cot 180 degrees minus theta. But cot of minus theta, but we should not take that one. So pi minus theta is equal to cot inverse x. This is, sorry, cot inverse minus x. Cot inverse minus x. So now from 1, cot inverse of minus x equals to pi minus, okay, right, pi minus cot inverse x. No, this is cot inverse x only, sorry, I did mistake. This is x, okay. This is x, pi minus theta is equal to cot inverse x. So now theta is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Theta means this cot inverse minus x equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Okay, who is Akshara? Right. Right. Next, fifth one, similarly write down, directly write down. So if x belongs to,
Sir, once again.
wait 1 minute, union 1 to infinity, okay, then first point, secant inverse of minus x. Don't write minus secant inverse x, pi minus secant inverse x, just like cos. So second one, cosecant inverse of minus x minus cosecant inverse x. Okay.
Completed.
Okay. Right, next. Right. So fifth point. So let's have a discussion on fifth point. So fifth,
Sir, one minute before that.
1 minute.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Nana. Right. If theta belongs to closed minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, then sine inverse of sine theta. So you will get theta. But you must remember theta must be principal value that should lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 only. Then only we'll write theta. Otherwise, it cannot be equal to theta. Otherwise, it cannot be equal to theta. Right? And one more in that only. Second point. If x belongs to minus 1 comma 1, then sine of sine inverse x. Here x is the value, numerical value. X you will get it. But x should lie between minus 1 comma 1. Sine inverse of sine theta is theta. Sine of sine inverse x is x. Right. So now third point. If theta belongs to closed 0 comma pi, then cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta. Fourth point, if x belongs to so minus 1 comma 1, then cos of cos inverse x is x. Right? In the case of tan, let us discuss now. If theta belongs to open minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, then tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. Sixth point, if x is any real number, then tan of tan inverse x is x. Okay, in the case of Carter, so seventh one, if theta belongs to open 0 comma pi, then cot inverse of cot theta is theta. Eighth one, if x belongs to any real number, x belongs to any real number, cot of cot inverse x is x. Similarly, for I'm writing directly, similarly you remember. So ninth one, secant inverse of sec theta is equal to theta. But where you must remember the condition, theta must belongs to minus infinity comma, sorry, 1 minute. Theta is the angle. Theta is the angle. So that means we can write like this. So theta belongs to 0 comma pi by 2 union 0 comma pi by 2 union pi by 2 comma pi. So that means it should not equal to pi by 2. Theta should not be equal to pi by 2. So next, in that say A, secant inverse x equal to x, provided where x belongs to negative infinity comma 1 union, this is -1, 1 to infinity, 1 to infinity. Similarly, we can define for cosecant also. Cosecant also we can define. So that means now 10th point, say if theta belongs to open minus pi by 2 comma 0 union 0 to pi by 2, then okay, then cosecant inverse of cosecant theta equals to theta. So now B, if x belongs to minus infinity comma -1 union 1 to infinity, then cosecant inverse x equal to x. So once again, all of you check all these formulae.
Once show next page.
Okay, sixth concept, first one, if theta belongs to 0 to pi, then sine inverse of cos theta. Expect what do you get? Sine inverse of cos theta. This sine inverse of cos theta we can write sine inverse of sine 90 minus theta we can write. Am I correct? Sine
Yes,
90
sir.
minus theta is cos theta. Go back to this formula. Go back to the first formula. See, sine inverse of sine theta is equal to what do you get? Theta. But in the place of theta, what we have? Pi by 2 minus theta. So we get pi by 2 minus theta. But provided you must remember, theta must lie in between 0 comma pi. Okay, second case. If theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Okay, then cos inverse of sine theta. Tell me, what do you get? Same, what do you write? Cos inverse of
Cos inverse of cos of pi by 2 minus
So we get pi by 2
pi
minus.
by 2 minus theta.
Right. Third one. If theta belongs to open 0 comma pi, then tan inverse of cot theta. This also pi by 2 minus theta. Directly write down.
Tan inverse of tan of pi by 2 minus theta.
Yes. So fourth one. If theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma 0 union 0 to pi by 2, then secant inverse of cosecant theta. This is also you get pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. Right. So if theta belongs to closed 0 comma pi by 2 open union pi by 2 to pi closed, then we expect, what is the formula? Cosecant inverse sec theta is equal to pi by 2 minus theta, right? Okay.
So once can you show the first page of today's class? Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now seventh one. If 0 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 1. If x lies between 0 to 1, then this sine inverse x in terms of cos inverse also we can write it. Sine inverse x is equal to in terms of cos inverse x. How to write it? Let me explain one simple method with the help of basic trigonometry we can follow. Let us say this sine inverse x equal to theta. So that implies, what is the value of sine theta? Sine theta equals to x.
X.
Yes, we know that cos theta equals to root of 1 minus sine square theta. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the place of sine theta, can I substitute x? Root of 1 minus x square.
Yes.
Now theta
Yes,
value
sir.
write down. Theta value write down. Theta is equal to cos inverse
It
of
equals to
root of 1 minus x square. So we conclude that sine inverse x equals to cos inverse root of 1
cos inverse root 1 minus x.
x square. Right. Similarly, we can prove cos inverse x equal to sine inverse of root of 1 minus x square. Very simple. Sine theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. You get same thing itself only, right? You leave it, this is not required now. So this is very important now. Eighth one is very important.
Before this. Thank you, sir. Complete.
Welcome. Right. So now let us discuss some problems. After that, we shall discuss remaining concepts also. Some concepts are there that will be useful for other questions also. First, let us do some problems. First. So now problems right now. So problems right now. The first problem. Evaluate the following. That means find the value. Evaluate the following. So first one. sine inverse of minus root 3 by 2. This value we need to find out. See, this minus root 3 by 2 in terms of sine, let us write. Can I write sine minus pi by 3? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine minus
Yes.
pi by 3 is minus root 3 by 2. So now the solution, you see, this we can write the sine inverse of sine minus pi by 3. Already we have discussed one formula. Today we have discussed this formula. Sine inverse of sine theta equal to what? Theta. Where theta is condition is there. Theta must belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So that means theta must lie between minus 90 to 90. This is minus 60. Minus 60 lies between minus pi by 2 comma minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So we can accept it. This is equal to theta. Theta is equal to what? Minus pi by 3.
Minus pi by 3.
Clear answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to next question?
Yes.
Second question.
Sir, one show before page.
Sir, one show before page.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. You expect what is the answer? Solution.
Pi
Come on.
Pi by 4.
See,
Pi by 4.
1 by root 2 in terms of cos is cos 45 degrees.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
Pi by 4.
By 4.
This we can write cos inverse of cos pi by 4. This seems to be formula we have. What is the formula? Cos inverse of cos
Cos
theta.
inverse of cos theta equals
Theta. But what is the condition? Where theta must belongs to 0 comma pi. Am I correct or not? Go back.
Yes.
Go back. Today we have discussed. See. See, check this one. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta if and only if theta belongs to what? 0 comma pi. Am I correct or not? So,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
so now check whether this pi by 4 lies in between 0 to pi. Pi by 4 means 45. This is 180. 0 to 180. Yes, absolutely. We can consider now. Cos inverse of cos theta is equal to, we can write theta. Theta is equal to how much here? Pi by 4. Okay, now third question.
Sir, one show before.
So what is the answer of this one? Secant inverse minus root 2.
Sir, one show before page. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, think about this problem. What do you say?
Minus pi by 4.
Minus pi by 4.
Secant cannot be minus pi by 4. Check the domain. See, I will tell you. You might have recollected this.
3 pi
formula.
by 4, sir. 3 pi by 4.
Absolutely correct. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So first step, using this one, we can write pi minus secant inverse root 2. Now root 2 in terms of sec, we need to write. Root 2 is equal to sec 45 degrees. So this we can write pi minus secant inverse of secant pi by 4. Another formula. What is the formula we have? Secant inverse of sec theta equal to theta. What is the condition? Theta must belongs to what? Check the condition. The condition is very, very important.
0, pi by 2 union
Pi by 2.
pi.
0, theta belongs to
Pi by 2.
0, pi by 2. It should not be equal to pi by 2 also. Union pi by 2, pi. So that means here see, it should lie between 0, pi only, but it should not be equal to pi by 2. But pi 45 degrees lies between 0 to pi. Okay, accepted. So pi minus this we can write pi by 4. So LCM 4. 4 pi minus pi.
3 pi by 4.
Yes, 3 pi by 4 is the right answer. So you should be very careful about secant inverse minus x, cos inverse minus x, cot inverse minus x. Sin inverse minus x is minus only directly. Tan inverse minus x minus. Cosecant minus inverse minus x minus. But cos inverse minus x, secant inverse minus x, cot inverse x minus x, danger. Pi minus you will get it. Shall I move to next question?
Yes,
Are you-
sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are eagerly waiting. Cot inverse minus root 3. Okay. Do yourself. I told you already, cot inverse, danger.
5 pi by 6.
5 pi by 6, sir.
5 pi by 6, sir.
Explain the method. How did you do?
Pi minus cos inverse.
First step. Cot inverse minus root 3. First formula write down here, supporting formula. Cot inverse minus x is danger. What is the formula? Pi minus cot inverse x.
Pi minus cot.
Yes. So this we can write pi minus
Pi minus cot inverse of root.
root 3. Again, root 3 is equal to in terms of cot. Cot 30 degrees, pi by 6. So pi minus cot inverse of
Cot pi
cot
by 6.
Once again, we need to recall one more formula.
Pi minus pi by 6.
Cot inverse of cot theta. When do you say theta? Theta belongs to? Tell me.
0,
0,
0, pi.
very good. This is very important. But you need to check. 30 lies in between 0 to pi. Yes or no? You are not saying.
Yes, sir.
So what shall you write now? Pi minus pi by 6.
Pi minus pi by 6 is equals to
6 LCM. 6 pi minus pi.
6 pi minus pi equals to 5 pi by 6.
That's good. So while writing, you should be very careful. All these things. Right?
Yes.
You try this question. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus of. This value we need to find out.
Once.
How do you say that one? Because first see the sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse x. Am I correct? So first step you can write like this. Sine of pi by 3 minus into minus plus sine inverse 1 by 2. Right. This sine inverse of, let us find out the value here. So in the place of what do we write? Sine inverse sine 30. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Pi by 6.
That is pi by 6. So sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6. So sine of 6 LCM, 2 pi plus pi. So sine of 3 pi by 6. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Sine 90 is 1.
Pi by 2.
Yes, absolutely correct. 1.
Sir,
Sixth question. Sine inverse of sine 5 pi by 6.
Thank you.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Clearly say.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Today you seem to be dull. What happened?
No, sir.
Okay, clear? Right. Now, what about this question? Generally, one must be tempted to say that pi by 5 pi by 6. Is it correct answer?
Pi by 6, sir, answer.
How? Why can't be 5 pi by 6?
Sine in.
5 pi by 6 means 5 into 30. How much? 150. But actually, we have the formula. Sine inverse of sine theta only, we get theta if and only if theta belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Correct? Then only we
Yes,
get
sir.
theta.
Yes,
But
sir.
150 is exceeds 90. That means this 150 we need to change, convert as a principal value between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That we need to do it. See, solution now.
Sine inverse of sine of pi minus pi by 6.
Sine inverse of sine pi by 6. This we can write to change principal angle sine pi minus pi by 6. See,
Sine inverse of sine of pi by 6. Answer
sine
is pi by
inverse
6.
of sine 180 minus theta sine theta. Sine pi by 6.
Sine pi by 6.
This pi by 6
Answer is
lies,
pi by 6.
pi by 6 lies between this interval. Then you can say theta. Theta is equal to pi by 6. So answer is pi by 6. It's clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Right. Next question is 7th question. Cos inverse of cos 5 pi by 4. First you check what is the value of 5 pi by 4.
Two 25 degrees.
225. Directly can
3
we
pi
write
by 4, sir.
225? Can you write 225 directly? So let us recall formula. Cos inverse of cos theta is valid when theta belongs to 0 comma pi only. It should be less than pi, but it is more than 5 pi by 4 is 225 degrees. So we should not write it. We need to convert in between 0, pi. So how to convert? That is the important thing here. Formula we can apply very easy manner. Cos, what do you write? Can I write first like this? Five pi by 4. How could you write it? First we can write 5 plus pi by 4. Okay. Just I am writing for a while. Can I write like this? 5 plus pi by 4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta. So you get like this. Cos inverse of minus cos pi by 4. But we have cos inverse minus x formula. That is pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 4. You can write it. Now you check. Pi by 4 lies in this interval. Now cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. So we can write pi minus pi by 4. LCM is 4.
3 pi by
4 pi minus pi. That is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135 degrees. Yes,
Sir,
absolutely in
five-
the stipulated interval only.
Sir, 5 pi by 4 also will come, no, sir, answer?
No, 5 pi by 4 means what is the answer? That is 225. Just check whether the 225 lies in between 0 to 180.
No, sir.
That's why we need to neglect that one. We cannot write it. We cannot write cos inverse of cos pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4. That's why only we converted it to apply the formula. So now very easy questions we are going to discuss. For these problems, if you know the basic trigonometric functions, we can solve the problem. This is find the values of first question, sine of cos inverse 3 by 5.
Once
So
show
what
before
is the
page.
difference between previous problem and this problem? Any difference is there? No difference. Okay. First, let me complete the problem. Then you will say very simple. See, let us say this cos inverse 3 by 5 equals to theta. Then cos theta is equal to what do you get? 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Yes. Indirectly, we need to find out sin theta value only as cos theta is given. Take the triangle, right angle triangle. Don't label it. No need of required. Say theta. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 5 means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Am I correct? What will be the
Yes.
opposite side now?
Yes,
What will be the opposite side?
4.
4. How do we
4.
get 25 minus 9 under root? That is root of 16.
16 is equals to
So Pythagorean triplet. Now from the figure, find sin theta. What is sin theta?
4 by 5.
4 by 5. What is theta actually? Cos inverse 3 by 5. Substitute. Therefore, sin of cos inverse 3 by 5
3 by 5 is equals to 4 by 5.
equal to 4 by 5. That is the answer. Sin of inverse functions is always tan of inverse, cot of inverse. Using triangle method, very simple manner, you can do it. So simple, directly we need to find out sin theta value only. Shall I give one more question?
Yes, sir.
Understood
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Understood or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay. I will give one more question. Tan of cosecant inverse of 65 upon 63. Now what we need to find out? In this case,
Tan theta.
tan theta. That's all. Tan theta. Tell me procedure.
63
Cosec.
by 6.
Cosec
secant inverse
5 by 63 is equals to theta.
65 by 63 is